Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I will be learning how to put location on Snapchat story, and now let's dive right in. Now to put a location on Snapchat story, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to put your Snapchat location on a story. So in order to do that, guys, let's take a picture for a demo purpose. I'm covering the camera with my hands. So guys, this is for just a demo purpose. So just I'll be doing on the black screen. You can do it on any of your photos which you like. So in order to proceed, from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a bunch of options. Tap on the third one, which is the stickers icon. And over here, guys, you can see on stickers you will be able to add a location. Over here you can see there are mention sounds, and after that location, tap on location, and your current location which is on the Snapchat will be over here. So in order for that, you can also suggest a place, but you will not be doing that. So just tap on the location which you are on, and with that being done, your location will be added on Snapchat story. And this is how to put location on Snapchat story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.